Hello students, today we are going to solve Bookkeeping and Accountancy's 12th standard, second chapter, not for profit concern. From that, the sum number 5, page number 117, Bharatiya Kala Kendra. First, we're going to read the sum. Bharatiya Kala Kendra Solapur gives you the following information. For the year ended 31st March 2018, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. Receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2018. Debit balances, receipts, to balance brought down, cash in hand 200, cash at bank 12,500, to locker rent 400, to entrance fees 2,900, to sale of old newspaper 250, to receipts from drama 9,000, to legacies 12,000, to interest of government securities 400, to miscellaneous receipts 400. Payment side, by stationery 600, by furniture purchase 7,000, by investment in government securities 14,000, by expenses of drama 3,000, by postage 450, by magazines and newspapers 600, by salaries 4,400, by balance carried down, cash in hand 700, cash at bank 7,300, total 38,050. Additional information, legacies are to be capitalized, make the marking for legacies. Outstanding salaries rupees 200, make the marking to the salaries. 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized, make the marking to the entrance fees. Now we're going to transfer each and every element of the Bharatiya Kala Kendra, Solapur. So first, the receipt side, they ask us only to prepare the income and expenditure account. So we're going to transfer the elements which is related to the income and expenditure account. So receipt side, to balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank, we're going to transfer. We're not going to consider this balances. Then to locker, it will be transferred to the income side by locker rent amount 400. Then to entrance fees, by entrance fees 2,900. The adjustment is given, so we're going to put the amount in the inner column only. Then by sale of old newspaper 250. I'm going to put the amount in the outer column. Then two receipts from drama, it will transfer to the income side by receipts from drama, outer column 9,000. Then two legacies, it will transfer to income side by legacies. I'm going to put the amount in the inner column because adjustment is given. Then to interest of government securities, it will transfer to the income side because that is the income. So by interest on government securities amount is 400 rupees. Then two miscellaneous receipts that will transfer to the credit side of income and expenditure. By miscellaneous receipts amount is 400 rupees. So in this way we transfer the receipt side. Then we're going to transfer the payment side by stationery. It will going to transfer to the expenditure side to stationery. No adjustment, so amount will going to appear in the outer column. Then by furniture purchase, that is related to the balance sheet, Then next, by investment in government securities, that is also related to the balance sheet. Then by expenses of drama, it will going to transfer to the expenditure side. Two expenses of the drama amount is 3,000 rupees, outer column. Then by postage, it will transfer to the expenditure side. Two postage amount is 450. Then by magazines and newspaper, it will transfer to the expenditure side to magazines and newspaper. Amount is 600. Then next, by salaries, it will transfer to the expenditure side, two salaries. Adjustment is there, so we're going to transfer the amount in the inner column. Then by balance carried down, cash in hand, cash at bank will not going to transfer because we are not going to prepare the balance sheet. Then next, adjustment, the legacies are to be capitalized. So we're going to transfer the legacies to the capital fund. So the whole amount of the legacies are considered as a capital fund. So the amount will be zero, or you can say the nil in the income and expenditure, and the whole amount will going to transfer to the capital fund. Then next, outstanding salaries rupees 200. So we're going to add the salaries, outstanding salaries in the salaries. So the amount is 200. So the outer column 4,600. And the second effect will going to given in the balance sheet liability side. Then next, 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. So we're going to calculate the 50% of the entrance fees. So the amount is 1,450. So the outer column is 1,450, and the 50% entrance fees should be added in the capital fund. So in this way, we transfer each and every element of the receipts and payment to the income and expenditure. Now we're going to take the total of income side, that is if you're going to take the total of income and expenditure side, it will come 11,900. And if you're going to take the total of expenditure side, it is 9,250. So here there is a income side is more than the expenditure side. So there is a excess of income. So from 11,900, we're going to deduct the 9,250. So we'll get the surplus 2,650. Then this surplus should be added in your capital fund. So in this way, today we solve this sum.